Maybe we should start again.
Nope.
I'll just edit that bit out.
Don't cut the box.
It's a really big board.
That is a really big board.
What are you laughing at?
I'm like, Evil Moses?
His name is Morcar.
Okay.
Or if this is the American version, his name is Zagon. Zagon?
Okay.
Maybe. I can't remember.
Okay. But you
Oh,
know,
that's
10 Commandments. Evil Moses. Like, I know it's on a tablet, but whatever. Still kind of funny.
That's really funny. Yeah, Zagon. This is the American one. Cool. Instructions.
Well, good thing you're reading those.
Well, they're actually quite substantial. Quest book.
So how many quests are in a book?
I think this one has 14. And then, like, at the beginning, it has, like, the story.
Okay.
So, like, if I'm the
Non-dungeon master.
Non-dungeon master. You have to read this and, like, set the scene first.
So are you Evil Moses?
Well, yeah, I could be Evil Moses.
Okay.
And then, like, in here, you start at the little, like, stairs thing, and then you, like, have to get out of there and walk around. And, yeah, it's really cool.
Okay.
I don't know what these are. Oh, it's telling you to buy, like, more shit. Attention, mentor. Place first class stamp. What if I don't want to use the first class stamp? Anyway. Some cool dice.
Ooh, let's see the dice.
So that's like a good guy shield, and then there's like the bad guy shield, and then skulls. It's pretty
I'm
easy.
assuming that's not a good thing.
What?
Having a
Oh,
skull?
yeah. So you like roll the dice, and then the number of skulls is the number of like attacky bits, and then you have to roll the same or higher number of shields, or you lose like life points.
Okay.
And when you lose all your life points, you die.
So once you're out in the game. Like, you can no longer be
The wizard.
the Evil Moses?
No. This is the good wizard, not the bad one. The wizard can cast spells and revive you, maybe.
Do you do this in teams?
Well, there's kind of like the good guy team. So you can have 4 players, and then there's like the bad guy.
And they get way more than the good guys.
Well, yeah, because you like go through the rooms, and like, maybe the first guy has like 4 of these guys and 1 of these guys, and you kill all of them in the first room, and then you go to the next room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. So we have femurs, which are these big ugly ones with only 1 eye,
Mm-hmm.
and then goblins, and then these guys are orcs. And these ones are wizard, barbarian, dwarf, elf. And he can also do magic. Same as the wizard.
Kind of looks like Hellboy-ish. I don't know why. Probably just the red arms. But, you know.
What? You mean they all look like Hellboy?
No, just that one. I don't know why. He kind of looks like Hellboy to me.
Strangey.
Okay, I will no longer talk. I will just,
You can talk.
Nope, just film.
Treasure cards. Holy crap, I actually remember these. Oh, those are... I don't know what those are. I can't
Not
remember.
treasure cards.
Yes. And then some other cards. And some other cards. I can't remember.
Mm-hmm.
last time I played this was? Gotta be like 20 years ago? Longer? Probably like 25 years ago? Holy crap. And then... I guess that explains all of the stuff.
Okay.
Oh, this is like a store. So in the quest you can find treasure, and then you can like buy stuff.
Okay.
So there's like the broadsword and the longsword in the ad. There's a really funny bit where the guy's like, "I'll use my broadsword."
Okay.
Yep.
Alright.
Then we have some undead warriors.
Okay. Like zombies?
Zombies. Zombie. Mummy. Skeleton.
Okay. Still looking.
Okay.
Don't worry. I don't think these guys look like Hellboy.
Ooh, shit. Oh. He fell off. That is a Chaos Warrior. A baddie.
Warhammer?
Well, this game is kind of before Warhammer, so it has
Don't they have chaos people?
Yeah.
Okay.
So a lot of the ideas are similar.
Okay.
I think in one of the original Warhammer games, there actually was a
Who gets the wings?
2-axe one of these. A gargoyle. So this guy has wings on the back, and then that's his face.
Can that be like a person? Is that a player?
No, he's a baddie.
Oh, that sucks.
Then there's a Chaos Wizard. And then this stuff is all just furniture. There's like a tomb and an evil spell book. And
My quick question is, why are all the coolest characters or coolest looking characters baddies?
well, you can be the baddie if you want.
Well, I'm probably going to be the baddie.
And then there's like treasure chests and a study desk thingy, and that's a torture rack and a weapon rack and some rats. I think they're just decoration. A chair and a table. These are bookcases, and it's a fireplace. But you like stick. I don't want to break it.
Just reminds me of the arg.
From Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Yes.
Grr, arg.
Buffet the Vampire Layer.
Buffet. Are you okay?
Yes.
These things.
Do we need to stop taping now?
No.
Okay.
These things you stick together and it makes a bookcase. These ones are treasure chests. So
Okay.
you like. What is that?
Put the plastic treasure chest on the
Yeah, that
paper
goes at
treasure.
the end, and then it makes a treasure
Gotcha.
chest. Yup.
Okay.
Are you gonna break my table?
Never. My boyfriend thinks I'm bad.
Okay, you can stop filming now.
I'm sorry, you could not say that. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay.